Think about the last time you asked an AI to help out with a big task, like drafting a work email and scheduling a team meeting. It fires back a perfectly written draft in seconds. It is brilliant. But then the automation stops. You are left doing the manual labor. You have to copy that text, open your email app, paste it in, switch over to your calendar, hunt for open time slots, and finally click send yourself. Even as these models get smarter every month, they still hit this same wall when it comes to actually doing things for us. Despite their intelligence, current AIs act like advisors who can only talk, rather than workers who can actually finish a job. It is like hiring a world-class assistant, but locking them inside a glass box in an empty room on their first day. If you slide a note under the door, they will give you a genius answer, but they cannot reach your keyboard, and they cannot pick up your phone. In technical terms, AI tools lack direct access. They cannot talk to your external services, apps, or databases. To make these systems truly useful, making them smarter isn't enough. We have to allow them to reach out and interact with the tools we use every day. This is where we see the introduction of MCP. The name stands for Model Context Protocol. It sounds technical, but the way it works is actually very straightforward. To understand why we need it, we have to look at why it is so difficult for an AI to talk to your calendar or a payment app right now. The problem is that every software app speaks its own unique language. These languages are usually completely incompatible with one another. Without a shared way to communicate, the AI stays isolated. Connecting it to everything you use would normally require engineers to write custom code for every single app in existence. MCP acts as a universal translator. It is a communication layer that sits directly between the AI assistant and all of those external tools. If the AI speaks one language and a payment processor speaks another, MCP instantly translates the instructions so they can talk to each other seamlessly. This provides one simple setup where MCP handles the configurations automatically. You no longer need 100 different, messy bridges to connect your favorite apps. This is an open standard created by Anthropic and backed by OpenAI. When the biggest rivals in the field agree on a system like this, it becomes a standard for everyone. Because of that agreement, AI finally has a secure, standardized way to communicate with the rest of the digital world. This translation layer is the foundation for what tech experts call Agentic AI. Agentic AI is simply artificial intelligence that can operate and execute tasks without needing a human to supervise every single click. Imagine you are planning a dinner party. Instead of asking the AI for a recipe, you ask it to handle the entire event. The AI checks your calendar for dates, texts invitations to your friends, updates your guest list, and processes a payment to order the groceries to your house. Because of MCP, this multi-step process happens on its own. You don't have to manually guide the AI through each individual app. AI is evolving into a proactive, independent assistant. MCP is the invisible bridge that allows it to move from just giving advice to providing actual assistance. We are reaching a point where AI is a tool that can handle the heavy lifting on its own. If you want to see where this technology goes next, hit the subscribe button. We will be here to explain it all in plain English. See you in the next one.